Hey guys, Van Simplex 05 here. It's been a while, and this is System Test 4. Okay, how's it going everyone? It's been a while since I've posted a video like that. Not too much has changed with the system in the IO64, other than maybe a couple pull station swaps and stuff like that. Maybe one notification appliance added. A couple of things have changed though. This panel is hardwired. I got this outlet going up here through to into this outlet that connects to this wire right here, and it just goes to that outlet, and I have it into this black cable here. It goes into this box breaker if I want to turn it on and off. I don't have batteries, but it can be a normal condition. I'll show here. All I gotta do is I gotta just take a wire from the positive on the one of the bars there and put it onto the battery positive, just like that. I'm gonna show you. So it should go normal, but yeah, right there, positive coming from the terminal here and the battery terminal. There it is, system normal. Power comes from that positive there and just goes to here. I don't usually keep it on because I don't want to damage my panel for very long. Like, I don't know if it has any effects. But yeah, I'll go ahead and showcase the devices and stuff, and we'll go from there. So as you can see right here, I have a EST270 SPO. So we got the 270 SPO without the gloss rod. So that's been changed from the 279B manual pull station that used to sit there. The 279B is converted to addressable. They're really all just simply a switch, so I'll show you that. Okay, I'll give you some light here, and this is the 279B converted to addressable. So I took the addressable module off one of the 270 SPOs, and I attached the bracket onto here. As you can see, little scratches from taking my needle nose pliers and bending those little clips that hold them in. But it can be reversible. I could put everything back together and it should be fine. So I even took the resistors for it, as that's what you should have for it to read. But anyways, yeah, this is the 279B converted to a Siga 278. And I got the I have the EST Genesis up here, which I'm hoping to put speaker strobes in. I have a whole box full with EST Siga PSs and different smoke detectors up there. Just a couple of different. I got ceiling mounted speaker strobes and speakers, and wall-mounted speaker strobes too, and speakers. So yeah, over here in the shop area, I have this pull station I moved. It used to be right over here. It was so hard to, if I mounted it like right in there, the box would be blocked off and I couldn't get a screwdriver and reset it in there. That's why the 278 is good for that area. But yeah, so it's right here, and it just follows that up here and goes to the junction box up there. And it follows the wires there. Sorry for the light, it's acting up there. But yeah, so I'll show you the other spot too. So over here, I have no pull station. It moved over there like I showed. But here, I did recently is I put my EST Genesis speaker strobe up here. So I have the wire coming out of here, and this is only using the strobe for now. And over here, I just have the LED EST or Edwards Genesis L series. And it's pretty much all for the system. I'm not too big of a system here. don't really have very many to use or put places to put them and things like that. Small area, that's all. But here I have my detector stickers here from both detectors in the garage there. I can show that. Here's the garage detector. These are Siga PS smokes. I have one here in this corner to monitor. And I have another Siga PS in the shop area. Anyways, so let's get started on the system test here. I'm gonna go pull the Edwards EST 278 pull station. Edwards 278. Okay, I'm at the 278 or converted 278, and I'm gonna go in here and stick the key in, and I'm gonna pull this. There goes the panel. Garage pull station. I do want to get like a dialer part so I can use the feature of using a laptop, bring it out here and programming the panel, because that would be 10 times easier. But doing it through the panel here is just as much too. It would just be easier to type out these labels than keep pressing these all the time. Sorry, here, let me. And then just keep typing all these and pushing these until you get the right letter and stuff and the spacing and everything. It's just a little bit of work to do, but eventually you get it. So let's pull the local pull station here. Already signal silenced here. By the way, this buzzer is surprisingly loud, and I have a piece of tape here. Watch. I'll take that off for now for the rest of the test, and you'll hear quite a volume difference. You can see panels here. Those aren't being used, but I can plug one in right here. The EST Fire Shield. It works. But when I got this, I found the battery wires were cut. And I now know why. It does not work. I tried diagnosing it to see what's wrong. I unfortunately failed at that, but I don't know. Right now it's a good demo unit for like testing out devices and things. Maybe a mini system could be made, but yeah, it's the backup battery is a no-go. And there's my other panel too. It works on batteries. It's just an old panel, and a couple pieces are falling apart on it. But yeah, that's the basic. Anyways, now that the garage pull station and local pull stations were pulled, let's go ahead to the shop and we'll pull that pull station over there, the 270, right here. Not sure what that delay is. Probably it failed to sync there. So we got 3 pulled pull stations. We got shop pull station, local pull station, garage pull station. Now we will test the smoke. Not by smoke this time though, but we'll do like a fire test. You go into the menu here, test, and test fire. Of course, I gotta enter my code. Here we go. And I believe device number 3 is garage smoke detect. So we'll go into there and press start. It alarms. Okay. If you look over here, you can see the detector is blinking red, signaling that an alarm condition has been detected by smoke, but technically we did via the panel to test it. And now we'll go ahead and do the shop smoke detector. I believe that will be number, yep, 2. Shock smoke detector, and as you can see here, the EST Genesis, both of them, the top one and the bottom, are working with their strobes on audible silent. And the detector is blinking red, just not as fast as a rate as the other one. But yeah, there it is. Hard to see, but yeah, you can catch it every couple of minutes or so. Just quite acknowledge the panel there. As you can hear, it's pretty loud on the piezo. I got this panel on eBay, and it said that the buzzer wasn't working. When I got it, it was, but I soon realized that it's intermittent. You just have to give it a couple taps for it to work. So yeah, now that we got the panel acknowledged and silenced, whoops, don't want to turn that off. I mean on again. So we'll go ahead and get my screwdriver here and reset the devices. I got a little screwdriver right here on the table. Go ahead and reset. There's no glass rod, so be careful when you have a glass rod and you slam this. They can break too. I had that happen. Okay, now we'll go to the other pull station. Grab my screwdriver with me. And we'll go to the other pull station here. And we will open that up and reset. I already reset the 278. Got it right there yet. There's this stove. So yeah, yeah, that's pretty much. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and sorry I have been not posting YouTube videos lately. I just really had nothing much to post too much about because, you know, small area, not much devices, the same old devices and stuff. But yeah, I thank you for watching, and have a good day.